Good evening. This is Prashant. Today I want to tell you something about forex trading. So today I want to tell you my profit also. So we are watching to subscribe our YouTube channel and click our bell icon. So follow me. Keep update. I am many videos and many information about forex trading and profit also every day. So don't waste our time. Who will be interested to, who will be know forex trading, who will be want to trade with me, come and join our team. So I will support you and I will teach you everything about copy trading and forex trading. So you have to turn $100 to many million dollars in your account. Every day we have to get a double profit in forex trading. So now it's running trades. There is many trades we have. So see that accounts. Now we have 3 accounts. So we are investing. This account is the second account is 241963390. Just $600. The day on 1 week $200 profit. So that is no risk. No risk. Happy to trade. So don't waste, guys. I will show you everything with proof also. Now see that he is that when you are here, when you are today profit you have to see that since we are doing the United Cents, don't need to stress our United Cents, will get more profit, our income every day. So don't waste, guys, our time. If we waste time, this is the valuable time. First serve and first get more profit. So see that last 3 months are equals. Now it's see that the proof of the when he have to invested to 3 times is the 3 times he have to invested them. Total $600, $20,136 equal to $201. So 3 times he have to invested $600, approximately $603 he have to invested them. Okay, guys, see that with the proof I can see you. Within week he have to end the 15,000 rupees profit in INR, Indian INR rupees, 21,618. Okay, equal to $210. $16 he have to get profit. Within week he have to get profit in 15,000. So see that monthly 4 weeks. So total profit is $600. Okay, guys, don't waste time. Just follow me and subscribe our YouTube channel. You'll get more profit. I will teach you how to turn $600 in $1 million, $100 to $1 million. So see that proof also then. So today profit, now it's today profit 1601. Okay, now it's equal to $16. Every day and day by day is growing. He is the profit. Okay, $16 is profit. Today is profit. Now it's see that now it's many trades running. So the candles will be high. So pairs will be taken Euro USD and USD CHF, USD CAD, NZ USD, AUD USD, NZ JPY, Euro JPY, Euro GBP, Euro AUDs. Okay, guys, see that he's get profit. Now it's running trade. Don't waste our guys. No, don't went to fear. Just low trading, risk trading, no risk trading. I will support you 100%. I will tell you. Don't went to waste our time. Just subscribe our YouTube channel. Will get more profit every day. See that is the my account. This is also my account. There is also another account. No problem. These are my client accounts. Now I just invested the master of account. So I have to invested $100. Now it's $8 profit approximately. 780 cents equal to 7 cents equal to approximately $8. Now it's in the time. Okay, see that last 3 months we have to see that. Now 3 months he is just 20,187 4 cents equal to $218. That is the big achievement of every. We have to get more profit in every day. See that another master account. So see that big amount of 1,36,840 cents equal to 1,300 approximately almost 1 lakh more than rupees. This account. This is the master big account. In now it's see that now it's running trade, slowly running trade. So profit will be withdraw many times. We have to withdraw 52,156 cents withdraw, 14,056 win withdraw. So he's that get profit. Balance is see that today profit. Today no more trades is equal to just running to he's leaving the trade, no trade. Okay guys, don't waste our time. Follow me, subscribe our YouTube channel, get more bell icon. See that XNS account, now it's running trade. Okay guys, log out. I am log out. I can log in another account. See that now it's okay, now it's login. Guys, don't waste our time, just follow me, subscribe our YouTube channel, support me. I will do more videos and we have to teach you. I have to teach you get easy profit on online every day. See that 797 cents equal 0.45 USD. Within week you have to earn $200 in pocket. Guys, don't waste our time, just do only one thing. Just text me. If you have any doubt, ask me and text me, mail me our YouTube. I will WhatsApp. I can keep in touch with you everyone. Just text me on WhatsApp, mail me on email. We'll get more updates every time. So don't waste guys. Follow me, subscribe our YouTube channel, get bell icon. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching our YouTube channel.